Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Daniel in Canada. Daniel, so finally I have your module repaired here. So we're going to test it. Now this is my module right here. It's bolted down. This is your module here. It's just connected, so it's not bolted. I just want to test it, so I don't need to install it on the vehicle. But this is mine. As you can see, part numbers are exactly the same. Because my car is a 1991 as well as yours, as you can see. These are two modules. Now we're going to operate the roof. Basically, I will show you the window operation first, because that was our concern. That lower panel is removed. That's something else for myself. So the driver's side, up. Passenger side, you see my windows are kind of weak as well. Regulators are drying up. Going down, both automatic. I'm just gonna hit it once, so I'm hitting it. See, that's automatic down. Okay, and same here, so I'm gonna hit just once, just to drop it. So automatic down works as well. So we're going to close them, and I'm gonna do manual down. So as you can see, they both close. Then I'm gonna do manual down, so I'm just gonna press it. As you can see, same on the passenger side. See, I'm hitting it. Obviously they go down easier because it's easier to go down. A relay clicking, I just want to show you that. Passenger side. See, I'm hitting the button momentarily, so you can hear. That's up, that's down, automatic, shut down. Driver side, going up. You can hear it clicking down, and that's automatic, shut down. Okay, perfectly fine. Roof operation. I'm gonna test the roof, so we'll see the roof is working. Sometimes you have to help it a little bit, but I adjusted the roof so I can just let go of the button for a quick second, and the windows follow up. Both windows are closed, as we see it. Okay. Well, the same thing for roof to be opened up. So we hit the switch. Windows obviously follow. They go down first. Well, you know, the normal operation. The roof works just fine. Windows. And that's about it. Now, if I remember correctly, this one has a separate roof roll bar controller. Yeah, this one is a roll bar controller, so the roll bar is on a separate circuit. I'll just show you if you want to see. The roll bar also works. If we're gonna start closing the roof, roll bar closes. I'm gonna keep the roof open because I still have to reconnect my module. My thing is, like I said, we spoke on the phone about this, the seals here. These get really hard, and also the window regulators themselves, they get extremely dry, and then the windows, it takes very much more current to move the windows. It's the same over here. So my problem here with these is I keep cleaning them. This is actually not my car anymore. It's sold. It's just somebody just parks it here. for winter. So the seals, you know, this window for example already has some scratches to it because the car's been outside and all the dirt, it accumulates into these felts and starts scratching the glass. Very unfortunate. I've seen this a lot on these cars. Unfortunately, it's just a fact, and really not much can be done except by clean these things or keep the car covered and what have you, so you don't have any kind of dirt to lodge in between felts here, you know. So that's what I just did. I just removed the trim, and then I pulled the felt out so I can clean it, and then I can reinstall it. It keeps accumulating. This window is already scratched up. Well, obviously the regulator is back down there, so you know, the tracks, of course, gears, lube, and what have you, that is to be done. Unfortunately, this one, yeah, it does look quite dry. If you look at the gears, they don't really have much lubrication left at all. The gears is, well, there is a little bit left, but the gears is not the biggest concern. The biggest concerns is obviously the tracks, you know, those things in there. I don't know, I cannot show you even. Well, you know what I'm talking about, those things. I mean, you work on these cars, you know exactly what I'm saying. I mean, I don't know, I guess I'm just adding this thing into this video. Maybe somebody else will watch it and that will help somebody. Okay, so we're all finished. Unit to be mailed back out as soon as we do our financial part. Okay, this is all. This is Victor, RestoreMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.